Today in English subject we are going to learn 3.1 it can be done. So let's start. First tell me what thing can we do? Yes, we can do any various things like we can you ride bicycle? Yes, you enjoy riding bicycle? I think yes, okay. Then can you draw beautiful pictures? I think it is also you can. And can you write good handwriting? Yes, you can. So there are so many things we can do very well, and there is nothing impossible in our world. Okay, so let's start. I am going to read. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can be done. In Solomon pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he'd efface the history of the human race. We'd have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. The poet is anonymous. Okay, let's start the two lines. There are two lines stanza. So first stanza: the man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. So you know that such man misses all the fun who says it can't be done. See the next. In Solomon pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. What is mean by in Solomon pride? In Solomon pride means here it means looking very serious, grand and important. So people think himself they are very important. Uh, he stand aloof, and where they stand aloof means they stand separately and without getting involved in anything. So such person stand aloof, and they think himself they are very important, and what they do and greets each venture, and there are so many ventures. Venture means such a task which are very dangerous or risky task, and that risky task they told what they uh, told they told with reproof means they criticize such ventures. Okay, see the next venture. Reproof means criticism, negative comments, and they always give comments negatively. Next stanza: had he the power, he'd efface the history of the human race. And such people, if they have the power, at that time, what they do efface the history of human race. Okay, so efface means wipe out, remove. Okay, what they remove all the history in about human race, the success story of human. Okay, so see the next. We'd have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars. And what happened if no one do any research invention? And that time, if such thing happen, then we can't see radio, which is present in nowadays. Okay, we can't see cars, or it is not possible to see street light and electric if the men who are living in past, if they thought that it can be done. Okay, so what is the invention? This is the electric bulb. Okay, see the next. No telegraph nor telephone will linger in the age of stone. Do you know the age of stone? You can see this picture. This is the age of stone. This is the last stanza. the world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can be done. And this world run by such men who says it can be done, then what will happen? The world would sleep. Okay, so everyone will not do anything. They will say it can't be done, it can be done, and they don't do anything. So the whole world will would sleep in without doing something. So this is the end of our poem. The poet is anonymous. Thank you.